After the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir into Union Territory, the powers of Chief Minister will be significantly reduced compared to the powers held before the bifurcation. Adab and welcome, I am Gauhar Wani, you are watching Awaz the Voice. As National Conference emerged as single largest party with the majority to form government in Jammu and Kashmir, here are the major key points regarding the powers and role of the CM under the UT status. The CM will head the elected government in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, but their executive authority will be restricted compared to the previous state government. The CM will have executive powers only over the subjects under the jurisdiction of UT government, such as local governance, public health, education and social welfare. Public order and police will fall under the control of Lieutenant Governor, who represents the central government. The CM will have no authority over these crucial departments. The CM will not have control over law enforcement agencies or matters relating to law and order in the region, as these are the subjects managed by the Union government through the LG. The elected Legislative Assembly of the UT of Jammu and Kashmir will have limited legislative powers, focusing mainly on the areas under the state list, excluding law and order, land and police. The CM can push for laws on subjects like health, education and agriculture, but central laws will prevail in case of conflict. Financial powers of the JK government will be limited. Major financial decisions, especially those requiring large expenditures or relating to central schemes, will require approval from the central government via Lieutenant Governor. The CM of Jammu and Kashmir will not have any control over Ladakh, which is now a separate union territory without a legislature. The Lieutenant Governor will have significant powers in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, including over police, public order, land and other key areas. The Lieutenant Governor can override the CM's decision on matters related to the central control or national interest. The central government will have greater influence over policy making in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in security, law and order and the administration of centrally sponsored schemes. In summary, the Chief Minister will still hold an important position as the head of the elected government. Their role will be more restricted to local governance and welfare policies, with critical powers like law and order, police and land directly under the control of the central government through Lieutenant Governor. For more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe Awaz the Voice.